of the liquid that is comes in contact with the solid, in this case that becomes curve. But here the tangent drawn to such free surface at the point of contact, and here the solid surface inside the liquid, here angle between them that is known as angle of contact. It means angle made by tangent drawn to the free surface of the liquid at the point of contact with solid surface inside the liquid is known as angle of contact. And it is found that here such angle of contact that depends upon nature of both liquid as well as the solid surface. It also depends upon medium which exists above the free surface of liquid. It is constant for given pair of medium. It also depends upon the purity of liquid. Here, high soluble impurity that increases the angle of contact, but feebly soluble impurity that decreases the angle of contact. And here this angle of contact also decreases with increasing temperature. But it is independent upon the inclination of the solid surface inside the liquid. It is also the molecular phenomena. So to understand how it depends upon the molecular forces, how it depends upon the molecular forces, that's why now consider here the molecules of the liquid on its surface which is in contact with the solid. Now draw the sphere of influence of that molecule. So inside the sphere of influence of this molecule contains some few air molecules, some molecules of the solid, and here the molecules of the liquid. It means here this molecule experiences an adhesive force due to here the molecules of the solid, those are lies inside the sphere of influence of this molecule. That is in the outward direction, it means perpendicular to the solid surface. Here the adhesive force exerted by the air molecules on that molecule, that is negligible because it contains few air molecules. It also experiences a cohesive force due to the liquid molecules lies in the sphere of influence of this molecule. And it also experiences a gravitational force that is equal to its weight in the downward direction, and it is also negligible. It means obviously here the behavior of this molecule that depends only upon here the adhesive force that exerted by the solid molecule, and here the cohesive force that is exerted by the liquid molecules. Now consider here the condition first. Now consider here this adhesive force that is greater than this cohesive force. In this case what happens? If this adhesive force that is greater than this cohesive force, obviously the resultant that is outside the liquid, it means that is towards the adhesive force, it is the resultant. And we know here the liquid has tendency to always remains perpendicular to the resultant force acting on it. So here this free surface of the liquid becomes perpendicular near the solid surface, so it becomes the concave upward. It means this molecule move upward. So now consider it is the tangent, and we know angle between tangent to the liquid surface and solid surface is known as angle of contact. It means in this case here the angle formed is F1. It means the example between the pair of liquid and solid in which the acute angle is formed, that is kerosene in contact with any surface or water in contact with glass. Now consider here the condition second. Here this adhesive force is lesser than the cohesive force. Here this adhesive force that is lesser than cohesive force, it means obviously the resultant lies inside the liquid. It means obviously this molecule depress on the solid surface, and so here the surface near the solid becomes convex upward. It means obviously here the angle of contact that is obtuse. Here it takes place in case of mercury in contact with glass or water on the lotus leaf. Then we shall about third condition. If this adhesive force is much stronger than cohesive force. So obviously the resultant that is outside the liquid and that is approximately perpendicular to the solid surface. So here this liquid surface near the solid becomes vertical, and here the angle of contact that is obviously zero. This happens in case of pure water in contact with the pure glass surface. It means in this way there is the angle of contact that depends upon the molecular forces. It means it is acute when the adhesive force that is larger than the cohesive force, it becomes obtuse. If adhesive force that is lesser than cohesive force, and in case it is zero when the adhesive force that is much stronger than the cohesive force. Then we shall cover the shape of liquid drop. We know the small amount of liquid that is poured on the solid surface. In this case here drop is formed. But shape of this liquid drop that depends upon force due to surface tension. But it is found that here this shape of liquid drop that does not depend upon only the force that is acts along air liquid interface, but also it depends upon the solid liquid interface as well as the solid air interface. Now consider here the force that is acting along the air liquid interface, that is the T1, and here the force due to surface tension that is acting along here liquid solid interface, that is F2, and force that is acting along the air solid interface, that is T3. Now resolving here this force into two rectangular components. So we get one component is along here T2, that is obviously here T1 cos theta. But for equilibrium of this drop, here this force T3 that is balanced due to sum of T2 and here the component T1 cos theta. So by solving this we get it is cos theta that is equal to T3 minus T2 divided by T1. Now consider here the condition first. Here this T3 that is less than T2 and here the difference T3 minus T2 that is also less than T1. In this case here this cos theta that is less than 1 and it is the positive. So in this case here the angle of contact that is less than 90 degree. Now consider here the condition second. Here this T3 that is larger than T2 and also here this T3 minus T2 that is less than T1. In this case cos theta that is greater than 1. Sorry, it is less than 1 but it is negative. So in this case here theta that is greater than 90 degree. It means in this case obtuse angle is formed. Now consider condition third. Here this T3 minus T2 that is equal to 1, T1. So here this cos theta that is equal to 1. So here theta that is equal to 0 and it happens in case of pure water in contact with pure glass. But here the last condition. Now consider here the T3 minus T2 that is greater than T1. In this case here this cos theta that is greater than 1 and it is not possible. It means in this case here the liquid drop is not formed and liquid spread over the solid surface.